Welcome to this unboxing video of the Husqvarna Novelette 540. So this is a lawnmower that I just purchased, and I've been looking for different lawnmowers and I haven't seen any unboxing videos of this particular one. So some short words: it's a Swedish lawnmower, yes, competitive price, good quality. So let's look what's inside, right? Okay, so I have my big knife here, and okay, let's do this, let's do that. Yes, and here we go. Okay, so what do we have here? And so we have a owner's manual, and as you see here, this is a non-friction lawnmower, which means that the blade doesn't touch the steel cylinder, which makes it silent and less noisy. So here's some parts. Let's see, this is the handle, I think. The handle, right, and then we have the body here. And here we have the Husqvarna trademark orange color. Steel, and then the cylinder and the blades. Okay, so see you guys in a second when I've assembled this.